Alright guys, today we're about to review and try out some of this new Lynx Omicron Gyro Pad Vibe Killer. I'm going to use this on the Skookum here, and also I think I'm going to try some of this on my 600, maybe the 700 too, but this is how much of it you get. And as you can see, it's kind of thick and rubbery. So let's put some on here and see how it is. I figure I have to check and make sure this ignition module doesn't get hot. I want to mount it right about there, and hopefully I'll be able to mount the lipo pack here on the front with the little spinning bobby I ordered there. Okay. I still haven't loaded it. Oh man. And this copter has only satellites on it. Something similar to your S-bus setup, where if some of you don't know, just run the two satellites and plug it right into the gyro, and it acts as a receiver. Okay. Cut this in half. I guess this stuff would really be good on nitros and gassers, and I'd really say you use this on some of your B stacks where you have those vibration issues. But boy, I like this. Okay. Prosecutors and the FBI are hearing rumors that at least one juror may have taken money to vote in Gotti's favor. We knew at the time there were tests of jury tampering. Retwist this one, and shuckers, man. Let's see. So yeah, that's it. And this is the G20. coming along. I really need to get these servo screws put in here and start connecting these linkages. Put the receiver battery on here and program the Skocum so that I can start wiring up the ignition system. Thanks for watching.